What's going on, guys? Boost Auto here. Today we're going to be showing you how to install our new paint-matched tailgate bezel on your 19 and newer Silverado and Sierra
that came with the MultiPro and MultiFlex tailgate.
Let's get into it.
Complete your paint-matched look with Boost Auto's paint-matched tailgate bezel. Don't waste your time sanding, priming, and painting parts yourself, or wait to have your parts painted by a body shop. Just visit Boost Auto today and have us factory paint match your new tailgate bezel cheaper and faster than anyone on the market. Finish your build the right way with Boost Auto's paint match tailgate bezel. A couple things to note before we get into the install. The procedure outlined in this video is for 2019 and newer Silverado and Sierra 1500s and 2020 and newer 25 and 3500 trucks that came with a MultiPro or MultiFlex tailgate. If your vehicle is a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for the latest in fitment and availability and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it.
So to gain access to our tailgate bezel on your MultiPro tailgate, there's a couple things we can do. We can either drop it down like this and then open up the MultiPro like that, or what we're gonna do for the sake of filming is pop the top part, bring it down, and then open it like this. Either way, you just need to have this flap opened and get to the back of it. So now that you've got access to this intersection, the step area itself, we're gonna be popping off these two trim panels right here. Now that these two panels are removed, there's two 10mm bolts that are exposed by these. So one here and then one on the other side. We're gonna go ahead and remove those.
To remove the bezel from the tailgate, there is a trim clip in the middle of the bezel underneath this support bracket. To release it from the tailgate, push in one of these tabs and pull the assembly free.
So see there, we'll pop it loose, and then we are just going to guide it out from the bumper. All right, so we're gonna leave all of these connectors plugged in because the actual part we're replacing is just the front cover on this. So we're gonna remove some of these Torx heads.
Now go ahead and remove these 6T20 Torx screws, holding the bezel in place. Now go ahead and remove the factory bezel. Now take your new Boost Auto painted bezel and line up the mounting posts with their designated screw holes. Then thread in a screw to hold it in place to make the installation easier. Now, we can reinstall all the Torx screws, making sure to only use hand tools to prevent over tightening. These screws only need to be snug.
All right, guys, so the best way to do this is we're gonna be feeding the cameras and on the wires back up. You know, make sure that they actually get back in the tailgate. And then we're gonna be taking it, tip it down a little bit, make sure that the back latch on the other side catches. And then once we know that it does, we just go ahead and push that one back in, and then we can tighten those bolts from the top.
Lastly, snap the two plastic covers back into place.
All right, guys, as you can see, we just finished installing our paint-matched tailgate bezel, and I think it looks pretty good. If you want to see some other stuff we have for your truck, check out our website at boostauto.com. And for that, I'll see you in the next one.
The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.